Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make a music sounds muffled on Capcut application. So the first thing you have to do now is just open your Capcut application and start adding the video or photo into your project. And here I already have mine, so I already have this video, I already have the clip as well as the music on it. So to make this music sounds muffled, it's so easy. Just need to go click the music part until it's activated the features down here. You need to click it again until the music part is being activated, and after that you just need to jump into the voice effect. And in this voice effect, you just need to directly jump into the retro and scroll into the left side until you found the megaphone. And now we just need to go click it. So that's the way how to make a music sounds muffled on Capcut application. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. And don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel. And I'll see you for the next video.